Good afternoon. Today we will cover the SAP Materials Management Outline Agreement topic. Vendor selection is the important process in procurement cycle. As we all know, vendors can be selected only by the quotation process. Once vendors are shortlisted by the organization, it enters into agreement with the certain vendor to supply certain item with certain condition, and typically when agreement is reached, a formal contract. So the outline agreement is a long-term purchasing agreement with vendor containing terms and conditions regarding the material that is supplied by the vendor. Okay. So outline agreement has two types. First one is a contract and second is scheduling agreement or scheduling agreement. So first one, that is contract. Contract is a long-term agreement between vendor and ordering party over a predefined material or services over a certain framework or time. It has two types, that is quantity contract and value contract, right? So quantity contract, in this type of a contract, overall value is specified in the terms of the total quantity. So it is called as quantity contract. In a value contract, overall value is specified in terms of total amount, so it is called as value contract. So by using the T code ME31K, we can create the contract. So we have to enter the vendor here. We have to enter the document type. Purchasing organization, purchasing group. Right. So validity end date, we have to enter this date, validity end date. After this, we have to enter the material here. We have to enter the net price. So after this, we have to save, and we will get this number, that is we have created this type. This is a contract, right? So after this, scheduling agreement is there, right? So scheduling agreement is a long-term outline agreement between vendor and ordering party over a predefined material or service which are procured on predefined dates over a framework of time, right? So in scheduling, we are only sending the schedules of the PO to the vendor. Okay. So by using the T code ME31L, we can easily enter into the screen. That is, in that we have to enter the vendor, that is 1000. Yes. So we have to change this agreement type. So we can select LP or LPA. That is, we will select LP. So here again, give the validity date. Again, enter here the material. We have to enter the plant 1000. Quantity we have to enter. Net price. After entering the vendor, right? So we have, again, we will go to ME31L, right? And we will select the vendor, that is 1000. Okay. So we will have to enter this date. we'll have to select the material. Okay, so here we change the material. Firstly, we have taken the 124. Okay, so I have changed the material, then the error will get solved, right? So we have to enter the target entries. That is, we will take 100, right? After this, we have to save the document, and we will get the scheduling agreement created under the number this one. This is a number whatever we have created. Okay, so that is a scheduling agreement. Okay, so we completed our training with the scheduling agreement and contract. So we completed here the outline agreement in SAP MM, that is materials management module. Thank you.